Hi everybody, this is George again with the second in a series of videos about A-Dorian. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and support my channel by writing a little comment and giving me the thumbs up. In the major scale you play 5 whole tones and 2 half tones. A-B is a whole tone, B-C is the first half tone, C-D is a whole tone, D-E is a whole tone, E-F-sharp is a whole tone, then the second half tone, F-sharp to G, and again a whole tone, G-A. Here's a little etude. Make sure to use the same fingerings than I do. Here we go. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.